there was like a big earthquake just outside of San Francisco today. Did you know that? Have you heard?
I did not know that.
It happened like
where?
Literally,
like you said, outside of San Francisco.
130 miles north of San Francisco in the ocean. But obviously everyone in a humongous radius felt it. I mean, it's a big ass earthquake. A bunch of people are without power.
Okay, because our kids are in San Jose. So
okay. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know where that is in relation to.
That's the thing. I'm sure that we would know about it if they weren't okay, but that's the thing. They felt that stuff before, and they're just kind of, now they're at the point where they're like, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, our thing's shit. It's fine. We're just shaking. It's fine.
I mean, it just happened. Like this is breaking. No tsunami. No.